Hi everyone, welcome to Math. Today we are going to study from class 10th chapter 5 arithmetic progressions, exercise 5.2 question 1. Fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term, D the common difference and AN the nth term of the AP. So before doing this sum, you must go through the introduction for exercise 5.2. If you understand that introduction, then this is very easy for you. So please go through the introduction before coming to solve this sum. So here it is given to us A value, D value, N value. We have to find out AN value. So here D value is not given, rest other three are given. We have to find out D value. Here we have to find out A value, here we have to find out N value, and here we have to find out AN value. So please go through the introduction. So now let's see one by one. The formula for this, just in the introduction I taught you. So first let us write down for the first one. So we have the A value, that is 7. Then we have D value 3. We have N value 8. We don't know AN value. So we have to find out that. So let's write down the formula. That is AN equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So nth term for AP, this is the formula we have derived in introduction. So this is the formula you have to use. Now AN, so AN we don't know, we have to find out. What is AN actually? N is what? N is 8. So we have to find out in 8th term what would be the A value. So A is what? 7 plus N is what? 8 minus 1. D is what? 3. So 8th term 7 plus 8 minus 1 will give us 7, and this is in multiplication. So 8th term, so 7 plus 7 into 3 will give us 21. So 8th term is 21 plus 7 will give us 28. So the answer for here is 28. So now let's do the second one. So the second one is, the value for it is given to us is A is equal to minus 18. D is not given, we have to find out. N is 10 and AN is 0. See here, AN is 0, N is 10, D value we have to find out. So then let's write down the formula. Formula is AN equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So let's put the value now. AN given to us 0. A value is minus 18 plus N is what? 10 minus 1. D we don't know. So we have to find out the D value. Now let's bring it this. Okay, let's write one more step. Plus 10 minus 1 will give us 9, and this is in multiplication D. So now let's bring this minus 18 to this side. It will become plus 18. And then we are left out with 9D. So now let us keep 18 this side, only bring 9 to this side. This is in multiplication, so when it comes this side, it will become into division. So D is here. So now when you divide, how many times you will get? In table 9, 2 times 18 you will get. So 2. So D value is 2. So you can write down there. Actually no need to fill up here. We have to just go on solve it. We don't need to fill up. So now let's see the third sum. So the third sum is there. So we have to find out A value. So let's write down the formula now. It is AN equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So AN is what is there? AN is minus 5. A value we don't know. and n is what? 18. N is 18 minus 1. D is minus 3. So this also is in bracket, so we'll put it in. This is in minus, so let us put it in bracket because it is in multiplication. So now minus 5 equal to, now we don't know a, we keep it a as it is, plus 18 minus 1 will give us 17, and this is in multiplication, so minus 3 we have here. So now minus 5, a will keep it as it is, plus 17 into 3, when you multiply we will get minus 51. Now minus 5 keep as it is, a as it is, plus into minus will give us minus 51. So now let's bring this minus 51 to this side. So minus 5, here it is in minus, so when it comes here it will become plus 51. So we keep a here only. So plus 51, here minus 5. So when we subtract, the biggest number sign is plus, we will get it in plus. So 46. So a value is 46. So you can pull it up. A value is 46. So a value here, it is 46. So now let's do the fourth sum. The fourth one. Fourth is a value is given to us minus 18.9. D value is 2.5. And we don't know, we have to find out. An is equal to 3.6. So the formula is An equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So let's put the value quickly. An is what? 3.6. A value is minus 18.9 plus n is not given to us, so we keep it n as it is. Then d is what? 2.5. So now 3.6, this is in minus, so let's bring it to the this side, so it will become plus. So 3.6, this is in minus, so when it comes here it will become plus. So 18.9 equal to this n minus 1, we keep it as it is, and this 2.5, it is in multiplication. So now next step, when you sum up this 3.6, then 18.9, so 18.9, you have to see when you are summing up, decimal should be same way. So 9 plus 6 will be 10, 15, 1 carried forth, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 carried forth, 2. So getting 22.5 equal to this n minus 1 we keep as it is, and this is 2.5 we have here. So now let's bring this 2.5 to this side. So since it is in multiplication, when it comes here it will become into division. So now n minus 1 will keep as it is. So now when it is in decimal, what we will do, so after the decimal, how many digits are there? 1 digit is there. So when we remove the decimal, we have to multiply with 10. You know that if it is 0.5, how we will write this when we want to remove the decimal? 5, then divided by 10. That's how we do, right? So same way, so after decimal 1 digit, so we have to divide by 10 both the sides. So when we remove the decimal, we will get 225 into 10, and here 5 into 10. Okay. So then here n minus 1. So now 10 gets cancelled. So if you are dividing this 225 by the table 5. So table 5 times 25. Here 4 times 20. Then 2 carried 4, 25. So 5 times 25. So again with the table 5 you divide, you will get 9 times 45. So 9 equal to n minus 1. So now we have here a minus 1. Let's bring it to this side. It will become plus 1. We have n here. So then we get 10 equal to n. So this is the value of 10. So the n is here 10. Here we found out n value 10. So now let's do the fifth one quickly. So the fifth one, a value is 3.5, d is given to us 0, n is given to us 105, and an we don't know. So the formula, let's write down. An equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So an we don't know, so we'll keep it as it is. Now a is what? A is 3.5 plus n is what? 105 minus 1, d is 0. So then n is 105, right? So an, you can also write in the place of n 105 because 105 a value you are going to find out. So here we have 3 plus 5, then plus. Now whether you minus or you don't minus, you see in multiplication 0 is there. So with 0, any number you multiply, it will become 0 only. So we get 0 here. So we don't need to go to minus here. In multiplication we have 0. So automatically when you multiply, the whole thing will become 0. So that means what we will be getting, an value will be 3.5. So you can fill it up in the table that an value here is 3.5. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.